Welcome to Lane University. My name's Conrad Layn. Avail University. My name's Conrad Layn. I'm going to teach you how to actually create a multi-car fleet in one day. Really easy. It's called the shotgun approach, or the Avail car rental shotgun finance strategy. This is how you do it. If you want to, you don't have to do this, but this is just another strategy. If you want to not only start Avail with one car, but maybe want to start with 2 cars, 3 cars, 4 cars, shoot 8 cars, 12 cars, 16 cars. You can add 4 cars per airport, 4 cars per downtown location, depending on what you want to do. But if you want to start a multi-car fleet, and you're like, hey, yeah, I can add 1 car, but hey, I really want to start really earning some real income and build a mini fleet of maybe 20 cars, 30 cars, 40 cars, you can definitely do that. This is how you do it per the experience article below, so you can do your own due diligence. It's completely legal, and all essentially is this. And I'll give you a quick example. When you go to a dealership, they already do this for you. They shop your information around with different financiers, banking institutions, credit unions, online companies that finance car loans, and they see who gives you the best APR, best, or who will approve you if you have good credit, bad credit, and they shop you around to 20, 40, 100 different, 200 different car loan companies. And whoever approves and whoever has the best terms, that's who you usually get. You could reverse engineer this. Instead of doing it that way, do it for yourself, and then you can just be approved, and then all the ones you're approved for, you just accept all of those loans, and as long as you pay on time, perfectly fine. That's all you have to do. Essentially that, and it counts as one inquiry. So if you're like, hey, I don't want to ruin my credit, just make sure you're paid on time. This payment history is 35% of the FICO score algorithm for Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, so make sure you pay. Very important. But as long as you pay on time, not only you significantly and exponentially grow your credit score fast, because now you're not only paying for 1 car, you're going to grow a lot faster and grow your credit score way faster, because you're paying off 20 cars at one time. And this is how you have to do it. Remember, guaranteed earnings for Avail is $450 per month, plus there's bonuses, so you make more than $450. I'll say as long as you get a card payment that's under that, so you have a $300 card payment, $200 card payment, even a $400 card payment, the card end up paying for itself, and that's how you do it passively. And you can do this multiple times. You can get 10 different car loans. They all count as one inquiry or no inquiries per the Experian article below, absolutely proof. And so it won't ruin your credit. It'll only benefit your credit. Again, I'm not telling you to do this or not to do this. I'm just showing you another strategy that you can use with Avail. And you just, instead of starting with just 1 car, you start with 4 cars or 8 cars or 12 cars and rip them out on the Avail and get guaranteed earnings if you get on the Avail Plus long-term plan. Very important. That's the shotgun Avail strategy. Hopefully that helps. If you found this video to be of value, feel free to subscribe to the channel, like the channel, follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and subscribe to the channel. But also, if you have any questions or concerns, or tell me if you've ever done this before, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about this. Like, subscribe, share, Carl, out.